Join me in making this spring flower quilt square. First, you're going to cut out your fabric in the sizes and amounts shown. Then we're going to work on making our rectangle petals. You're going to take your 2.5 inch by 3.5 inch petal colored rectangle and 2 of each of the background and center petal fabric at 2.5 inch squares. Then you're going to put them on alternating corners right sides together and draw one line from corner to corner. Then we'll go to sew, and when you sew, you're going to sew directly on the line that you just drew for both of your squares. Once you're finished sewing, you're going to take your ruler and measure 1/4 inch to either side of the line that you just drew and cut it off the remaining fabric. Then you're going to open it up and press your seams open on both sides of the rectangle. After that, you're going to do the exact same thing to the other side of your fabric. You're going to put both of the center petal colors on the same side as well as both of the background petals on the same side. Put right side together, draw a line from one corner to the other, and then you're going to sew directly on that line. Now you're going to cut 1/4 inch to the side of the line you just sewed, and then you'll press your seams open. And you're going to do this 4 times to get 4 rectangle petals. Now we're going to move on to our square petals. You're going to take your 2.5 inch petal color square and 2 of your 1 1/4 inch background squares, placing them on opposite corners and then drawing a line from one corner to the other, and then you're going to sew directly on that line just like we did with the rectangle square. And then you're going to cut 1/4 inch to the side of each of the lines you just sewed, just like we did with the other one. And you're going to make this square 4 times. Once you're finished with this square, we can start laying our quilt square, and it will look something like this. Then we're going to take the square petal we just made and our 1.5 inch, 3.5 inch, and then our 1.5 inch, 2.5 inch background rectangle, and you'll just sew them on the sides of your square petal. You'll start with the shorter rectangle and just sew 1/4 inch seam there, and then you'll take it and press it open. And then we're going to sew our long rectangle onto that square. Again with the 1/4 inch seam. Once you're finished, you should have a square that looks like this, and you're going to do this with all 4 of your square petals. Get a layout that looks like this. And then you're just going to sew along all of those lines to get your finished square. Now I'm going to make a border for my quilt square by using the center petal color and the background color in 3-inch square and putting them right sides together. And I'll draw the line from one corner to the other corner and sew 1/4 inch to either side of that line. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my ruler and cut directly on the line that I drew. Then I'll open them up and press the seams open, and then I'll trim down the square to be 2.5 inches on each side of the square. And then you are going to do this 6 times because it will make 2 half triangle squares each time you do this, and you'll need 12 for the border. Now I'm going to make the layout for my quilt square by just adding in the border squares that I just made and some 2.5 inch background squares to fill in the gaps. Now I'm going to sew all the squares together, and I'm going to sew them just in strips, doing the strips on the left and right hand side. I'll make those, and then I'll do the shorter strips on the top and bottom. Now I'm going to lay out my strips just like this. You can see how I sewed them, and now I'll sew the short strips onto the top and bottom of my original flower square.
Under the stars, the night is young. With every heartbeat, our songs begun.